here. So see, I put the 15 millimeter on here snug and everything again. There it is right there. You see, rust. Before I put the tank on and everything, I use some of this right here, gum out right here. Get with that. Keep the bolt lubricated like that. The nut too will go on nice and easy like that. Just hold it like that. This is what you use. You can use this or WD here. Put the wrench back over here. Just take my wrench right over here. Now I'm gonna go outside right now and drop the tank a little bit. Okay, now the clamps right here, I'm gonna disconnect. I got a nice small flathead that will fit right in there perfect like that. You also could use a Phillips, but this flathead, look at that. Real easy, real simple. There's nothing hard about it. Now it's loosened. There you go.